Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this tutorial we will know how to create such complex model in SketchUp using some plugins. So if you are new, please subscribe. So let's start guys. So guys, here press A for arc line and you have to draw arc line like that by connecting both edges of arc line in top and a bottom. Okay, now we have to select arc line that is connected. Now here we will use a curviloft plugin, third option. Press enter to form the shape. It can also be done using a soap skin bubble plugin that is free. Okay, you can use this tool also if you don't have curviloft. Okay. So guys, here you can see that same surface has been created using soap skin bubble. Now here we need to explode this model if it model in a group. Okay. Now you have to select all the connected faces to make it solid. Okay, so now you have to make in a group. Now here guys, you have to use a slicer tool. Before that I am copying this model, okay, by pressing move with control. Okay, now you have to select first one and then click over slicer tool, set the parameters like a spacing, thickness, and you have to select the axis. So here I am selecting axis X and then you have to click OK button. It is sliced perfectly, and again select copied model and this time select Y axis. So this is the method to create such complex 3D model in SketchUp. So I hope you have liked this video. Please share, subscribe and like. See you next tutorial guys. Thank you.